students, how are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Welcome to my channel Learning is Fun, where learning is actually fun. Students, today we are going to start Shapes and Angles Class 5 NCERT Day 2 class. So let's go. So students, let's start the topic today. Students, have you heard about angles? Yes, we use angle everywhere in our body, in the objects, in the surrounding us, in trees, in sun, in moon, in sun rays. We use angles everywhere. Even in our body also we use different kind of angles. In objects that are around us, they also have different kind of angles, and even in clock we have different kind of angles. So we talk about angles now. Angles is formed when two rays have same endpoint called the vertex. You have heard about angles, rays, the rays which when two rays meet at vertex at same endpoint, the same point is called vertex. Then we will talk about how to name the angles. We can name the angles according to its number, point and vertex. अगर हम vertex से उसको नाम देंगे तो एंगल O देंगे, नंबर से नाम देंगे एंगल 1, और मिडिल नेम से देंगे तो एंगल MOP और POM. बट O हमेशा सेंटर में रहेगा. इस बात का आप ज़रूर ध्यान रखेंगे कि वर्टेक्स हमेशा सेंटर में रहता है. O को हम OMP या OPM नहीं लिखेंगे, सेंटर में O ही लिखेंगे. अब एक एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइज. यू कैन सी एन एंगल. वी कैन नेम द एंगल यूजिंग द वर्टेक्स. वी विल नेम इट एज, यस यू आर राइट, एंगल E. एंड यूजिंग द नंबर, बताइए बच्चों, आप मेरे साथ बोलेंगे एंगल 2. वेरी गुड. एंड if we use the points in the middle, then we will talk it as angle DEF or angle FED. This curve is, there is a specific symbol of angle. You can see the symbol of the angle also. In this figure, we cannot name this angle as CAB and BCA because CAB के सेंटर में क्या है A और BCA के सेंटर में क्या है C. तो वर्टेक्स जो होता है, वर्टेक्स क्या है B, तो B हमेशा सेंटर में ही रहेगा और हम इसको एंगल ABC और CBA लिख सकते हैं. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. इन दिस फिगर वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ angles. We have nine angles in it. Oh, that's great. 9 angle in this figure. So we start naming as angle 4, angle 5, angle B. Now angle DBA, angle ABD, angle ABC, angle CBA, angle DBC and angle CBD. And जो देखने वाली बात है बच्चों, सभी एंगल्स में B सेंटर में है. नाउ देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. We have 4 kind of angle that we are going to study in this chapter. Acute angle are the angles which are more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Then comes right angle where it is exactly 90 degree angle, and then comes obtuse angle where the angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, and then the straight angle where the angle is exactly 180 degree. Now let's talk about acute angle. An acute angle measures less than 90 degree and looks like this. It measures more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. You have seen angles, acute angle everywhere. So let's take an example. Which of the angles are not acute? You can see 5 figures here, and in angle 1 is less than L, angle 3 is less than L, and angle 4 is less than L. only angle 2 and angle 5 are not acute angle. They are not acute angle because they are not less than 90 degree. They are not less than 9 L. If we talk about right angle is exactly 90 degree angle. In your PC, you can see, in your laptop, in your mobiles, everywhere is right angle. So right angle is strictly 90 degree angle. If we talk about the same example that we have studied earlier, we can find out that angle 2 is a right angle as it measures 90 degree. Now we talk about obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So you can see two examples over here so that you can know that the angle is more than 90 degree but it is less than 180 degree. I hope it is clear to you all. In this example, as you have seen, only figure 5 is an obtuse angle. So if we talk about straight angle is just a double of the right angle. It makes a straight line. Straight line, that means it makes an 180 degree angle. Here you can see the example. The horizon that we see is of a straight angle. I hope स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक आपको आज का कंसेप्ट समझ आया होगा और एंगल्स को नाम कैसे देना है और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एंगल्स बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया होगा। अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तब आप वीडियो को पॉज करके भी वहाँ पर देख सकते हैं। सो आज हमने एंगल्स के बारे में पढ़ा और नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम प्रोटेक्टर को ड्राइंग के साथ पढ़ेंगे। सो गेट रेडी विथ प्रोटेक्टर एंड अ पेंसिल इन नेक्स्ट क्लास।